Hi guys, my name is Madan. So today we will learn about what is DevOps, what is the cloud, why we need a DevOps, and what are the tools are available in the DevOps. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is DevOps? So DevOps is the combination of two terms, development plus operation. Okay, so DevOps is a culture, DevOps is a process, DevOps is a set of practice. So DevOps is nothing but a methodology. It's not a particular technology or tool. Okay. So I have created small definition of the DevOps. DevOps process is used to establish collaboration between development team and operation team. The aim of the DevOps is to deliver project to the client with a high quality in a less time. Okay. So this is the actual small definition of the DevOps. Yes. So this is the DevOps symbol. I hope you have gone through this the picture, because whenever you see and search the DevOps in a Google, you see this picture. Okay, so basically this DevOps symbol indicate Dev and operation. Dev stand for the development, operation stand for the ops. Okay, so in that DevOps symbol, it indicate a infinity loop of the DevOps process. Okay, continuous planning, coding, building, releasing, deploying, operating, and also monitoring is there. So this is the actual symbol of the DevOps. Okay. So let's see what ChatGPT says about the what is the DevOps. Okay. So DevOps is a combination of development and operation. A modern approach of the DevOps engineering that emphasizes collaboration, automation, continuous delivery to the build, test, release software faster and more reliable. Okay. And ChatGPT also provides a simple definition of the DevOps. So DevOps is a culture and set of the practice that bring together software development who write the code and operation team who deploy the manage the system to deliver better software and more quickly. So that's the actual DevOps definition which is provided by ChatGPT. Okay. So basically, why we need a DevOps? So first point, faster and more reliable software delivery. So this DevOps methodology provides faster and more reliable and faster delivery with quality. Okay. Next one, continuous monitoring and feedback. So this DevOps provide a continuously monitoring. So how our project running, how much CPU utilization is running, and how much traffic coming from the outside, and give the feedback to the client. Next one, flexibility, adopt the changes. Okay, so adopt the changes means whenever client give the new changes, give update for our project, DevOps provide a faster delivery with the quality of the software. Okay, so that's the actual why we need a DevOps. Okay, so these are 3 points are more important. Next, yes. So this is the also important thing, because these are all cloud platforms. So there are multiple cloud platform are there, but I have choose a topmost cloud platform. First is the AWS, which is provided by Amazon. Second one is the Azure, which is provided by Microsoft. Third one is the Google Cloud, which is name is the GCP. Next one is the Oracle Cloud. So these are a cloud platform. Yes. So this is also most important. So this is the DevOps tool. Okay, so first is the Linux. Linux is nothing but is the operating system which we deployed our entire project in that Linux operating system. Next one, Maven, Gradle, and NPL. So these are a build tool. Okay, so basically we are using Maven for the Java application, NPM for the Angular and Node.js application. Next one, GitHub and Bitbucket. So GitHub and Bitbucket are source code management server, we can say that. So these are centralized repository, we can say that, to save the entire code in that the repository. Okay. Next one is the Nextest and JFrog. These are a Artifactory server. So next one, SonarQube. SonarQube is nothing but a code review software. It provides bug fixes, and it also gives the code review, vulnerability, and code quality checking purpose. Next one is the Tomcat and JBoss, and also Nginx is there. Okay, so these are the web server for the deployment. Next one is the Docker. Docker is a containerization platform. We can containerize our Docker container. Okay, So basically it's provide a Docker container and packaging our code and dependencies in a one box. Okay, so whenever we create a container, it provide a small boxes. Okay, so in that boxes we can save our entire code and all the dependencies. Okay, so next one is a Kubernetes. Kubernetes is nothing but it's an orchestration tool which is provided by Google. So whenever we create a Docker container, we need to manage and orchestrate our Docker container. Okay, for that purpose we need a Kubernetes. Okay, next one is Jenkins. Jenkins is a CI/CD tool which is a continuous integration and continuous deployment purpose. So Jenkins provide a automate the all over part build and deployment. Next one is Grafana, Prometheus, and Yogesh. These are a monitoring tool. Next one is the EFK stack. So EFK stack is also monitoring tool, but centralized format. So E stand for the Elasticsearch, F stand for the Plenty, K stand for the Kibana. Next one is the Jira. So basically Jira is a project management tool for the ticketing purpose. So it provides a multiple bug fixes, bug fixes problem, and we can track our entire project while using a Jira. So this is a simple. Okay. So next one is a Terraform. Terraform is an infrastructure as a code which provide a infrastructure with automation part. Okay. So we can create our infrastructure in a single command while using a Terraform. Okay. So in that Terraform, we can create our infrastructure with a multiple cloud platform while using a Terraform, AWS, Azure, Cloud, GPC, and multiple. Okay. So these are DevOps tools are there. Okay. So we will need to learn all these DevOps tools in that YouTube channel. Okay. So stay connected with me.